What's going on, stackers? So in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to find a bunch of ideas for low content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want some done for you research guides, click those links in the description to go through and check them out. This one is a done for you research bundle and it's only £9.99. This is going to save you some time in having to do the research yourself. So, Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing resource. Now you can use this to find design ideas, you can use it to find unique phrases, quotes, but you can actually also use it to find low content book ideas, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So once you're logged in, you do need an account to do this. Go and sign up. You want to come to the search bar. Now you can start putting in some keywords up here. For this instance, we want to find some book ideas, some books that we can create. So I'm just going to type in journal. And then I'm going to press enter. Now, a top tip when you're using Pinterest for ideas, you see these here. These are in order of how popular that search term is. So journal bullet is the most searched, journal ideas is the second, journal pages, and so on and so on. The further you go down this list, the less popular it is. Now, let's take a look to see if we can find some actual ideas to create books around. So all we're going to do is have a little look. We've typed in journal, and now we'll have a look to see what actually comes up. Now as we can see here, we have bullet journal list ideas. So let's take a little look at this. So let's scroll down. So right here is a bunch of ideas that you could create books around. So we got a book list, a wish list book. So that would be a wish list a wish list journal. So let's just pull up Amazon. See if anyone's actually searching for that. So what was that? That was a wish list journal. So let's type that in. Let's just go to, let's keep on there, wish list journal. So straight away you got 10 monthly searches for this search term. Let's go to books. Click that. Let's just pull up a notepad as well. So for a wish list journal, let's type that in there. Wish list journal. You're actually getting 10 people a month searching that. Let's have a look. 10 monthly searches, and there's only 1,000 books for a wish list journal. So let's do a little bit more, see what else we can find. So a birthday list journal, let's take a look. Birthday list, or a birthday journal. Birthday journal, 170 people a month are searching for that. Birthday journal, like so. 50,000 for that, so there's quite a lot of books around that. Maybe not that one. So then we got an exercise log, a food log journal. Let's take a look at that. So let's take that away. Food log journal, 880 monthly searches. Food log journal, we have 6,000 results for that. Then we have a grocery list. So let's check that as well. So grocery list journal, nothing for that. All departments, grocery list, no, let's try notebook. Notebook, grocery list notebook, 40 monthly searches, and there's 1,000 results for that. So grocery list notebook. Let's see what else we can find. So let's go back. Income tracker, very interesting. Ideas, let's take a look at some different ones. So straight away, within 5 minutes, we already have 4 ideas for low content books. I'm sure we could find a hell of a lot more. So let's go to journal. Let's do bullet journal. Bullet journal ideas. So let that load. And let's see what we can find. So there's that one again. Keep scrolling. So we've got some here. Keep scrolling. Actually, let's go back up to the top. Where was that idea one? So right here, let's do that again. Let's scroll down. So scroll down to the bottom. Right here we have a bunch more ideas. Let's have a look at this one. So we got a book journal. We could do a bucket list, movie journal, a restaurant, songs, budget, spending log. So let's have a look at that one. So search bar, let's take away that, spending log. So we've got spending log just here, 590 searches. Journal. Nope. So let's just do spending log. Let's type that in over here. So spending log. There's only 157 results for that. So not many books at all. Let's see how often they're actually selling. So we got one here, personal spending log, daily expense log. So let's scroll down a little bit more. Fucking computers being so slow. So we got under 1 million BSR. Budget book, weekly, monthly format. That's at 23,000. Your balanced monthly planner. That's at 648 in the bookstore. This one's under 1 million as well. So they do sell. Spending log, they sell, and there's only 157 results for a spending log. So let's have a look, see what else we can find. So a to-do list, shopping list, weekly schedule, travel dates, sleep log. Let's take a look at that one. So sleep log journal. I don't think that's actually getting many monthly searches, but again, there's only 289 results for this. So let that load. Let's just highlight this. Go to get keyword data. 0 searches. So let's take the journal out and let's just do sleep log. See what comes up. 1,000 results. So let's just do that. Sleep log. Right click. Get keyword data. So there's 2,400 monthly searches for a sleep log. So let's just go to the bookstore, see how many results there are. And we have 2,000 results for that. So let's just put sleep log. Let's see what else we can find. This is what I mean. So Pinterest is an absolute goldmine when it comes to low content books. So look at this one, mood tracker. I've never even heard, I didn't even know that you could get a mood tracker. So let's take a little look at that. So let's do that. Mood tracker journal. 480 searches a month, so that's 480 people a month are actually searching for a mood tracker journal, and there's only 1,000 results. So let's type that in as well, mood tracker journal. Let's take a look at some of these. So let's scroll down. What's that here? Bullet journal. Don't use bullet journal on your covers. Bullet journal is actually trademarked, but as we can see, so this is a bullet journal method. Nope. Mood tracker. So this is 2019 mood tracker planner journal, same thing, and it's ranked at 33,000th place in the bookstore. So let's just see an average of how many books they're actually selling. So let's just go to here. Let's get that BSR of 33,000. Let that load up for a second. Scroll down. Place that in there. Don't allow. Let's go back, take that little comma out. It's going to let me. Bloody pop-ups. So let's do that. Like that. We want normal books. We're going to calculate. So they're roughly selling 9 copies a day of this mood tracker. Now, I would have never even thought of a mood tracker, and as we can see, it actually sells. There's, how many was there? 480 people a month actually searching Google for a mood tracker, and there's only 1,000 results. See, using Pinterest, you can come up with so many ideas for low content books. It's absolutely crazy. And as we can see here, this has had 10,000 repins. So there's a lot of people interested in these ideas to put in their bullet journals. So you can create journals specifically for these, do a little bit of research like we just did to see if there's demand for them, and you'll be good to go and create those books. See, in less than 15 minutes we already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ideas that we could create low content books around, just with that little bit of research and using Pinterest. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, then let me know down in the comments below, and I'll make some more in the future. Also, don't forget, if you want some done for you research, to go through and check out those research guides. One of them's only £9.99 and the other is £12.99 as well. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.